Hello, this is my smart room project. This project consists of two phases. The initial first phase is a face recognition based door locking system. For this first phase circuit, I have used a Raspberry Pi which is being powered by a power bank of 5 volt input, and then to that Raspberry Pi I have connected a servo motor to show the mechanism of door. And for the security reasons, initially there is an NFC tag, and then there is a camera here, and I'm running a virtual simulation of that particular OS. It's running on Raspbian OS. So as you can see here, I'm going to execute this face recognition Python script that I have written for Raspberry Pi. And as soon as I run the script, it is going to take a couple of seconds to initially load the face recognition model, and also the other peripherals needed, the GPIOs, general purpose input output pins, which are connected to the Raspberry Pi. As you can see, the face detector is being loaded into the system, and once it loads, it is going to show a message saying that we need to verify the NFC tag. For the NFC tagging, I'm having a NFC chip based card here, and as soon as I place the NFC card on the NFC reader, this is the RFID, it is going to start executing a face recognition model. You can see it over here. I'm going to place it. So it has started the face recognition model. As you can see my hand, the frame rates are pretty low given the power of Raspberry Pi, but it is going to detect my face. So as soon as it detects my face, it is going to open the door for 5 seconds and it is going to close it. Now, given the scenario that in that initial 5 seconds I have entered the room, after that, by the way, this is going to run in an infinite loop. So as you can see, again it has said door unlocked, hello Niranjan, and door locked again after 5 seconds. So it is going to ask for the next NFC tag. So again you can see I'm going to do that. Yeah, it has recognized me. So after that, it is going to, after 5 seconds, it's going to close the door. Now after going inside, here the second phase of the system is an voice recognition based automation system. This stepper motor is being controlled by a motor driver, and that is connected to a node MCU, and there is another peripheral here. LED lights are also connected to the node MCU, depicting the lights in a room. So this is a fan and this is a light, and inside this, the main uniqueness of this project is that this node MCU is being powered by power bank, by the way. So the main uniqueness of this project is that I have coded this complete system, node MCU automation system, in MicroPython. Usually, generally everybody uses Arduino coding using Arduino IDE, but here I have done the coding wirelessly. As you can see here on my iPad, I have I'm running a web application that I have also coded in the backend in the server in DigitalOcean. It is a cloud server. It is currently running a web application which is hosting MQTT protocol. That is the most efficient protocol for IoT devices. So I'm going to take my phone here. This is my Android phone. So in this Android phone, once I have included IFTTT at the server end, which is going to send backend signal to the server, which is to a port which is having a web application written in Flask framework in Python. That is going to send another message to a different port on the same network, which is hosting MQTT broker, that is going to publish that message to a topic which is subscribed by my node MCU. So as you can see here, this is my smartphone, and that is a web application like I said, and this is the node MCU. I'm going to start the voice commands. Okay Google, power up smart room.
Powering smart room.
So as you can see, as soon as the command is executed, depending on the phrases that I have given in the IFTTT, it is going to execute a webhooks request, and this is the fan rotating. That is the LED, and the behind mechanism of this procedure is that the IFTTT initially sends a web request to my web application in the cloud server, and from there it is going to direct the message in a JSON format, that is JavaScript object notation format that is widely used in IoT application. It is going to send a message directly to my MQTT protocol running in a different server, in the same server in a different port, and that is going to publish the message to a topic which is subscribed by my Node MCU. Again, I'm going to power down the system. Okay, Google, power down smart room.
Powering down smart room.
So as you can see, the system is off right now. It has stopped working, and this is my smart room project. Thank you.